Keep talking. Gotcha. Gotcha. Now what? Today, my boy Eric's come over here, gonna weld up the tone ring on my crank.
Alignment. I do all the work, it gets the glory.
Huh?
Quarterback over there. Quarterback candidate.
I don't care where you ground it. Do it. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Burn the bearings out of it. And we're gonna do that on the first pass anyways.
Here it is. Damn right. Let's see, I'm gonna grind it too.
Wish that damn heater would kick off. You're gonna probably have to ground it to the crank. Because you're gonna be grounded through the bearings if you do that. People on the internet are gonna see this and oh my god, we're gonna get some comments on this. They're like, look at these
It'll be the first time you got any comments.
How cool would it? How cool would it be if it grounded to the bearing and just locked it up?
I've seen them do it before, grounded the block to weld
yeah,
the crank.
that's what I'm saying.
And have to
Pretty tight as hell.
yeah. Well, the motor is loose. Rolled over my hand, huh?
Yeah, there we go. It won't be when we get that plant down in there.
The motor is loose. We done run this motor a year and a half, ain't had no problems. We thought, what the hell? Let's pull the motor out of it and weld a tone ring up. This guy, he just observing. He don't even, I don't even know that he knows he's here.
I'm not at Walmart right now.
How you turn this machine on?
Oh, hell.
Is this a plasma cutter?
We're in trouble. We're in trouble.
Is this the plasma cutter?
Yeah, I believe it is. I believe it is.
Where's your weld machine?
Oh, you guys, man, why he's getting serious.
Nickel holding up the dollar. Fucking nickel holding up the dollar.
Yeah, it's a 2-second job and it takes you 22 minutes to get set up.
Hey,
Huh?
look the fucking gas.
What? Slick, where the hell did I rig up? Oh, I forgot we've been MIG welding with it.
Killing me.
I didn't know what you were talking about.
Trying to go fucking eat.
He's bad about
He's always bitching. I pay him, look, $15 an hour. I pay this man to come over here. He always
Cheeseburger.
bitching.
Fried pickles.
That was always making me mad.
Here, Willie, come here. Willie, come on.
You got
Come
one
on, bro.
good?
Come on. Huh? Get in here. Get in here.
Ready.
Give me weld it. Have you seen my welds?
Oh yeah, I got pictures. I got pictures.
Yeah.
Hang on a
Put
second.
the phone up. My battery's about dead. I ain't got time for it. Get out of here. Get out of here. Who's doing the editing? I don't even know where the camera's at.
Hold on, you can blur it all out.
Whose motor?
My motor,
Whose motor?
my motor.
Huh?
Damn, he's actually talking, ain't he?
Toss that crap. Wait till mine blows up on me. I'm gonna repo mine.
No, you can use that stock 5
You got gas now.
Everything's a Snickers. Somebody get this man a Snickers.
He got a cheeseburger and fried pickles waiting on his ass.
Where exactly you want it?
It don't matter.
Don't matter.
He ain't gonna throw too bad out of balance. It's no Mustang. Perfection.
But not so.
Now we gotta change the oil. I wasn't even gonna change the oil. Let me see. Clean that up there. Let me see. Do y'all look at them stock rods? Look at that stock crank. I would get you a picture of the GM part number. I don't know where it's at. All right, Eric. You ready to go? Oh, that's it? Look at that in there. Oh, yeah. That's it, boys. That's it. Well, the man Eric came through again.
Got lucky again.
Got lucky one more time. There's that side right there. Let's see if I roll it over.
Good thing for YouTube.
Anything for YouTube.
Show us how to fucking weld.
There's the other side right there. Looks fantastic. Oh wait, looky there, looky there. GM part number. Y'all can y'all can Google that. It's gonna tell you it's a, I really think this is a damn 4.3 V6. Somebody's added an extra 2 throws on it or something. I don't know. But I don't know if there's a part number on the rods or not. They got about 240,000 on them. Let me see.
Is that my old rods and crank?
Yeah, I pulled that out of that truck you was gonna scrap.
What?
Mugly. Huh? Get in there.
I ain't not say.
You'll be famous after this.
It's a hell of a.
Cause it damn sure ain't making you look no better.
You got there. Fuck you.
God, y'all are still ugly no matter what I do.
The orange straw side.
Y'all are still ugly.
Your orange straw side.
God.
Or post it up.
Look, let's see.
How much wheel gap do you want?
Yeah, how much wheel gap do y'all want?
All of it. Give me all that. Yeah.
That is sexy as
All
socks
that.
on a rooster. Huh? Why do I feel like that is something that you would drive? All right, guys, that was just a short video welding the tone ring up on the crankshaft on this 5.3. We're gonna put in my boy's car called Mugly. But anyways, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell, get the notifications, and share it. All right, guys, see you later.